Welcome back guys. Amazing. Today we just make you a nice, lovely, refreshing, amazing drink which can do amazing work at home in your kitchen. Anyway, good drink, good food, and live longer. That's what we're talking about. And this drink is just good for you. You can enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, share it to a friend, and a friend will know what it's all about. Pineapple and mango, and also we got some yellow melon inside of it with some pineapple juice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much. We're gonna make a smoothie, very easy and simple smoothie today guys, and this is a well healthy drink also. A lot of people might just say, oh, you're gonna be using apple juice in it and all these things, but listen, slices mango, we're gonna put a couple slices of mango. That 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of mango. Pineapple, it's a must. I'm gonna put 4 slices of pineapple and 4 slices of yellow Julie melon. Can get that at the local shop to buy or supermarket. Then we're gonna put some pineapple juice, some apple juice. Lovely. That's all the ingredients inside of it. Then basically what needs to be done is this. Because when you're doing such a juice like this, you need to put some lemon or ginger and all these things inside of it. Really nice. And I'm telling you guys, you will love this one. Half a lemon. And also we're gonna put some ginger. Just a piece of a ginger. I love my juice, so normally I have to do something for the fans then. Alright? Cover. Yeah, we're just gonna cover it up and blend it around 3-4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So now this is going to be finished. So I'm just gonna pour it out. Because I just finished blend it. Very smooth and nice. Look at that. Rich, looking lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. We've got a lot more ideas and recipe like this coming your way. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's just amazing recipe and a drink so you can drink at home. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.